Hey guys, this is your channel host Vignesh for channel Figmotech, and in today's video we are going to unbox a tire inflator kit, which is not a normal tire inflator. It doesn't need any cables, so it is a portable tire inflator, guys. So I'm just preparing a kit for my car, which includes the medical kit, the jump starter, the portable tire inflator, and the puncture kit with some tools. So this is the portable tire inflator. I too bought the jump starter with this. I have just made a video. If you want to check it out, it's in the I button above, which should be most useful for you if you are collecting a kit like that for your car. So this product, I bought it from AliExpress. And I also searched it in Amazon for a portable one, but I didn't get. But if I get it, I'll just share the link in the description box below. AliExpress, I'll just throw it in the description. You can just check it out. And I have found it from a bestseller who shipped this product within 12 days or something. And this product has some benefits than the wired one. So the wired one, it's too heavy and too large to carry. You may have the doubt, no, because you are purchasing it. I most probably saw the package and everything was fine, guys. It was in a bubble wrapped cover. But the main thing is that the customs agency, due to the battery reasons, they check it out and while checking out, they remove the package in a random way, so that the package came open like this. It was not enclosed. So let's go for the unboxing. Let's see what's on this box. We have only the picture of the product. Other than that, you just get the writing as inflator. So let's open it. You just get the owner's manual. So this is the owner's manual. If you want, you can just take a look. Here you can just go through the specifications if you want. So these are the specifications. If you want, you can just pause the video and take a look at this. And it's a 150 psi inflator. So let's keep it aside. And the one thing I just forgot to mention, guys, mostly they don't include these covers for many products which we buy. It's a carry pouch, guys. Great, they have included a carry pouch with it. I just mostly check my products before giving a review. That is why this is slightly dusty, and you can also find an unwound wire over here. So I just used it on my tires yesterday and I did my puncture and it was great. But even though I've just recorded that video for you to see at a situation where it's more needed, so I'll just show that video afterwards. So let's go with the flow of the unboxing. And you just get the micro USB charging cable for this device. I think it may take 2 hours to charge because yesterday I used it and I found that it took 2 hours to charge itself. This is just the adapter which you need to plug it with the portable tire inflator, I think. So it's flexible also, so that you don't have any limitations in connecting your portable inflator into a tight space. If you want, you can just fit it easily. So after that, you just get these adapters. I just seen this, but I don't know about these two. But this one I used it for mostly for basketball or the football filling adapter. The other two I don't know. I'll just learn in the future. So we can just take it off. This is of good quality, guys. I think it can last longer, but it's most dust attractor, so keep it away from dust. So this is the portable tire inflator. We shall just take a look on all the sides. So I think this is the port where we need to attach this adapter. And you also get these two LED lights. You get the certification passed, and also you get this carefully hot. I think that this is hot. Yesterday also I just did the filling of the air and I found that this was totally hot. On this side you just get these three symbols. You just get the unit 1 and plus and a minus. If I just click the unit, you get a blue color display like this. It's mostly a digital display. You just get it in 4 different units: PSI, and you get it in bar and kilopascals and kg, centimeter square. So okay, we have all the 4 different units, so you can use it at different regions if you have different units and standards also. This is the other side. You just get this power button with a power indicator. If you are charging your device, then this may glow indeed. And you also get this micro USB port where you need to insert this port. I think this is the port. So you just need to insert it like this to charge your device. Most important thing is that you need to buy a power adapter according to this input voltage 5 volt and 1 amps. Or you can also use your power bank to charge this. I just talked about this LED lights. No, let's see how to make it glow. I'll just do a long press to turn it on. So you also get a guided light. While filling your air, you can just make these two glow so that you can identify the correct hole to insert this adapter so that you will not misplace or keep searching if you are in a dark situation. There is no blinking mode available. If you just press it slightly, it just blinks. That's all, guys. You just have an on-off function over here. That's all. Most probably I should just do a comparison for this. This is my Samsung A70 which I just use it. I'll just place it like this to do a size comparison. So it's equal to the size of my phone, and in thickness wise it's not even the thickness of my phone. The rear part of the device is totally flat and black, and this can stand like this vertically. That's a most important advantage, because while filling your air you can just keep it like this and connect your adapter to the tire so that you don't need to find any place to rest this device. So now I'll just connect this adapter to this port so to see how it works. Just turn it in a clockwise direction. Just fixed it. You have this adapter locking mechanism like this. You can lock it like this and release it. So this is the basic function. With this you can just connect it to your car, and most probably they have given few adapters. I'll just also check it out. These are the 3 adapters which they have given in the packet. So we have this adapter to fill our basketball, footballs, anything. You can just fill it out for a sports use. And this thing, I think it's for filling up your air inflated swimming pools. You can just see, or air inflated sofas. These are the recent things which you can just find it in the market. I think for filling that you can just use this. I don't know for what this is used. I'll just come to know in future. I will just show you how to install one of these. These threads are commonly found in all the adapters. So just put it inside, just install it inside and lock this like this. At last I found a small exercise ball which can be used for testing this. For that I can't use this because so you can just see that this hole and this adapter is for only balls which doesn't let out air easily. So like basketballs, volleyballs and everything. So I just need to remove this adapter by unlocking it. So this will be good for filling this ball because it has a large hole. So I am going to use this adapter and tighten it out. So that's all. Now it's tight. It will not remove. We shall just set the actual PSI over here. We'll just add it out and reduce it. So if you know the actual PSI, you can set it and turn it on. But if you don't know the actual PSI, you just need to keep it inside it, tightly fit it. You just need to turn this on. Turn it off when it is fully filled. You just need to put this plug in. We got an inflated ball. Keep these adapters safely. The only thing is that every 1 month you need to put a charge for this device and fill it up even if you are not using it. There are batteries inside it. It doesn't run on power. It just runs on battery. So the battery needs regular recharge. So even your phone has a certain period of life to take the beating on your battery. So that you need to charge your device regularly. So I will just fill my car and my bike so that you may able to see how it performs in the real world condition. Let's go out and test it out. I'll just open the car and here are the tires. We can just take a look. So I'm going to just plug it with this kit without any power supply. So this is the rear wheel of the car. We shall now check the pressure for this unit over here. Try to lock it immediately to reduce the loss. So now we have just connected it and now we shall just check the actual pressure now. So we have 30.4 psi. So now I'm just setting it to 37 psi and turning this on. Now we can just see the pressure 36.5. There is a total loss of 0.5 psi when you release this. That is the reason it shows the actual psi as 36.5. You can just take a look. So if you want 36 psi, you just need to add up to the pressure of about 37 psi, so that with the loss you can just get the actual psi. So we shall just release it. Turn these LED lights off whenever it is possible, because you can just conserve power because it runs on battery. Now we have come to the bike. This is the port and this is the rear wheel. So it's really dirty, guys. I just need to clean it out. I'll just fill the air in this so that you will also get the idea of how to fill the air in your bike. On the bike, we shall just check the pressure. It's 25.1 psi. I just need to fill it with 32 psi of pressure. So we shall just reduce the pressure from 37, which we fitted in the car, to 33 psi. So by including the loss, we just need to assign it to 33 psi. So now we shall just start filling it. So let's discuss about the pros and cons of this device now. The first one is that it is totally compact and really small, so it's easy to handle and easy to store. You can easily store it in your rear storage unit of your car, or you can also store it in your panniers if you're using a motorcycle, or even in your bag if you are going for cycling. So the second is that you can just charge this device using any power outlet. Like you can use the adapter when you're charging from a wall outlet, or if you're charging from a power bank, you can just use a USB cable. And with your car outlet, you can use that adapter to charge it in your car itself. So it's really a great advantage to charge this device in a multiple way. The third one is that it's really simple and attractive new design that shows that they have really put lots of effort on this device. So let's move on to the cons. There is only one mode of power input to this device, that is through the battery. There is no other external power supply to be used, so you can't do charging and also the usage at the same time. You need to be conservative on your power usage. First one is that don't fill the air while there are passengers inside. Tell them to get out and then fill the air, so it will reduce the pressure developed due to external weights. Second is that don't bend the pipe while filling your tire like this. You can just keenly observe that we have filled the air from 25.7 psi to 33 psi within just 1 minute 30 seconds, which is awesome. We have filled it to 33 psi, but the actual pressure is 32.2 psi. So including the loss of 0.8 psi while removing this. So now we shall just remove this, but this is really hot now. So try to plug it out. I think that this video would have been helpful for you to know about this product, and if you like this video, please do like, share and comment on below if this video worth it. And this is Vignesh signing off by saying live your passion.